Number 15, the Honda Super One, is a visionary concept vehicle that showcases Honda's commitment to futuristic performance and intelligent design, blending sleek aerodynamics with cutting-edge mobility technology. Its compact yet bold structure is crafted to deliver maximum efficiency in both urban commuting and recreational riding, featuring a lightweight chassis that enhances maneuverability and stability on the road. The Super One is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain engineered to provide quick acceleration, smooth power delivery. Number 14. The Takeoka Lala is a compact and charming microcar designed to bring convenience, efficiency, and simplicity to daily travel, especially in crowded urban environments. Its small footprint allows it to navigate narrow streets and tight parking spaces with ease, making it an ideal choice for city commuters who value practicality. Despite its modest size, the Lala offers a surprisingly comfortable cabin with thoughtful ergonomics and clear visibility, ensuring a smooth and relaxed driving experience. The vehicle is powered by an efficient electric motor that delivers quiet operation and low running costs, appealing to environmentally conscious drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint. Its lightweight construction enhances energy efficiency, while its quirky, friendly design adds a unique personality that sets it apart from traditional vehicles. The Takeoka Lala represents a fresh approach to mobility, blending functionality, eco-friendliness. Number 13, the VIGOZ Cixi is a distinctive electric microcar that stands out for its stylish compact design and practical performance, crafted to meet the needs of modern urban commuting. Its sleek and rounded exterior gives it a friendly yet futuristic appearance, while its small size makes maneuvering through busy city streets and tight parking spaces effortless. Powered by an efficient electric motor, the Cixi delivers a smooth and quiet ride with low operating costs, offering an eco-friendly transportation solution for everyday use. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully arranged to maximize comfort and usability, featuring supportive seating, intuitive controls, and clear visibility that enhances the driving experience. Despite its minimalist nature, it provides surprising stability and control thanks to its balanced chassis and light structure. With its blend of simplicity, efficiency, and personality, the VIGOZ Cixi captures the essence of smart urban mobility in a compact and charming form. Number 12. The Honda EV OUTLIER concept represents a bold step toward the future of electric mobility, combining Honda's advanced engineering with a strikingly modern design language. Its exterior features sharp flowing lines and a confident stance that give it a futuristic presence, while aerodynamic shaping enhances efficiency and performance. The vehicle is powered by a high-output electric motor, paired with an intelligent battery system that delivers strong acceleration, impressive range, and responsive handling suited for both city environments and open roads. Inside, the cabin showcases a minimalist yet tech-forward layout, offering a spacious feel with intuitive digital controls, a panoramic display interface, and comfort-focused seating for an elevated driving experience. Smart connectivity and driver assist technologies work seamlessly together to improve safety and convenience, emphasizing Honda's commitment to thoughtful innovation. Number 11, the EHang VT35 is an innovative vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to push the boundaries of modern air mobility, combining drone-like agility with the stability and endurance of a fixed-wing aircraft. Its hybrid design allows it to lift off vertically in tight spaces like a helicopter, then transition smoothly into efficient forward flight for longer distances. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, the VT35 maximizes aerodynamic performance while maintaining safety and reliability in varied flight conditions. Its advanced electric propulsion system delivers quiet, clean operation and offers impressive range and flight time compared to traditional aerial drones. The onboard navigation and control systems feature intelligent automation, allowing for precise flight paths, stable hovering, and minimized pilot workload. Designed for tasks such as surveillance, cargo delivery, emergency response, and environmental monitoring, the EHang VT35 demonstrates how the future of transportation is expanding upward, merging innovation with practical real-world application. Number 10, the 2026 Yamaha XSR 900 GP fuses rich racing heritage with state-of-the-art performance to deliver a truly exhilarating ride. Built around Yamaha's potent 890cc inline-3 CP3 engine, it delivers smooth, broad torque power that practically begs to be revved through the gears, yet remains surprisingly manageable in everyday use. Its striking retro GP styling, complete with a vintage-inspired fairing and period graphics, hides modern engineering within, including a lightweight die-cast aluminum frame and spin-forged wheels that sharpen handling and responsiveness. The electronics package is equally sophisticated, featuring a 6-axis inertial measurement unit linked to lean-sensitive traction control, wheel lift intervention, slide control and cornering ABS, all enhancing rider confidence whether carving back roads or commuting downtown. The suspension is fully adjustable, the front forks and rear shock tuned for dynamic agility without sacrificing ride comfort, and the cockpit is equipped with a sleek 5-inch full-color TFT display, bar-mounted switches, USB-C charging and smartphone connectivity, so it's as practical as it is thrilling. In essence, the Yamaha XSR 900 GP is a masterful blend of retro soul and contemporary muscle, a motorcycle that respects the past without being defined by it. Number 9, the KYBURZ Plus 2 is a refreshing reimagination of compact mobility built for practicality, style, and weatherproof comfort. Designed by the Swiss company KYBURZ Switzerland AG, this 4-wheeled electric micro-vehicle comes with a fully enclosed cabin, offering protection from the elements, which instantly elevates everyday urban travel by keeping you dry, comfortable, and confident regardless of rain or wind. Under the hood, it features modern lithium-ion batteries paired with a maintenance-free asynchronous electric motor, enabling a surprisingly generous range of up to around 135 kilometers in its optimal configuration, and making it ideal for inner-city commutes, shopping errands, or even light-distance outings. It's compact in size yet well-considered. At roughly 186 cm long, 93 cm wide, and 166 cm tall, it handles tight city parking and navigating narrow lanes with ease. Charging can be done via a standard household socket, no exotic infrastructure required, meaning convenience is built in. Despite its small footprint, the Plus 2 delivers practicality with options like an automatic parking brake, LED lighting, and even additional accessories for comfort and utility. All in all, the KYBURZ Plus 2 offers a compelling blend of weather-protected design, efficient electric propulsion, and urban versatility that rethinks how we move around our cities. Number 8, the PAL-V Liberty is a truly groundbreaking hybrid vehicle that brings the dream of personal flight closer to everyday reality, offering the unique ability to be both a road-going car and an airborne gyroplane in one unified machine. On the ground, it presents itself as a sleek, dynamic 3-wheeled vehicle capable of reaching fast highway speeds with quick acceleration, providing a sporty and confident driving feel. But the real magic happens when it transitions into flight mode, where it unfolds its rotor and propeller to become a fully capable aircraft, cruising through the sky at impressive speeds and covering significant distances with ease. This seamless transformation takes only a few minutes, allowing the driver-pilot to switch between road and air travel depending on the journey ahead, opening up new possibilities for commuting. Number 7, the Ducati Desmo 450 EDX is a fierce and finely tuned enduro cross machine that brings the unmistakable racing heritage of Borgo Panigale to the dirt. Built for riders who crave precision, control, and raw performance. At its core sits a 449.6cc single-cylinder engine equipped with Ducati's signature Desmodromic valve system, allowing it to rev freely and deliver explosive power with remarkable responsiveness, producing 63.5 HP and strong torque for demanding climbs, rapid acceleration, and consistent pull across varied terrain. The lightweight aluminum frame and carefully sculpted ergonomics allow the bike to feel nimble and balanced even in technical sections, while top-tier Showa suspension, with long travel at both ends, ensures it can absorb punishing hits, deep ruts, and rough surfaces without sacrificing stability. The Desmo 450 EDX also embraces advanced electronics tailored for off-road riding, including off-road-specific traction control, launch control, Number 6. The ENVO Veemo Batch 3 is a dynamic urban mobility solution that masterfully blends weather-protected design with pedal-electric drive, offering a stylish and practical way to commute. It features a streamlined semi-enclosed cabin that keeps the rider shielded from rain and wind, while allowing effortless travel in bike lanes and narrow city spaces. The electric assist drivetrain makes conquering hills and longer distances surprisingly comfortable, and the vehicle's compact footprint means parking and navigating tight urban environments becomes far less stressful. Inside, the cockpit is crafted to prioritize comfort and utility, with ergonomic seating, good visibility, and intuitive controls making every ride feel smooth and confident. The Batch 3 version elevates the experience further with enhanced stability, upgraded weather shielding features, and improved cargo options, recognizing the real-world demands of daily commuting. The end result is a mobility device that doesn't simply replace a bike or scooter. It reimagines how city transportation can look and feel when built for the modern commuter. Number 5. The 2026 Kawasaki KLE500 embodies the spirit of accessible adventure, offering a balanced and versatile platform for riders who want a machine that feels just as comfortable navigating city traffic as it does exploring remote gravel paths. At its core is a refined 451cc parallel twin engine engineered to deliver smooth, predictable power across the rev range, giving the rider confidence whether cruising on the highway or tackling uneven terrain. Its adventure-ready design stands out with a tall stance, long travel suspension, and a 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheel combination that provides stability and comfort across mixed surfaces. The upright ergonomics encourage relaxed long-distance travel, while thoughtful comfort features, such as an adjustable windshield, supportive seat, and spacious riding triangle, help make extended journeys more enjoyable. With a practical 16-liter fuel tank for increased range and selectable ABS to enhance control in varying conditions, the KLE500 blends simplicity with modern usability. Add smartphone connectivity and a host of accessory options, and you have a motorcycle built for everyday riding that also invites you to escape the routine. More than just a mid-sized adventure bike, the KL500 captures the essence of freedom to go anywhere, appealing to riders who value capability, reliability, and the thrill of exploring the world at their own pace. Number 4. The Inmotion P6 redefines personal mobility with a staggering leap in performance, blending cutting-edge engineering, high-voltage architecture, and premium features into one extraordinary electric unicycle. It is built around a 235V platform capable of delivering up to 20 kg of peak power, which translates into blistering acceleration and a top speed that pushes the limits of what a single-wheel machine has achieved so far. The heart of the machine is a high-capacity Samsung 50S battery module, paired with silicon carbide MOSFET control and advanced thermal management, including copper vapor chambers and active cooling, to ensure consistent performance under load. A central hydraulic suspension with 90 mm of travel gives the P6 uncanny stability and comfort, even at speed or over rough terrain, while IPX6, IPX7 rated weather protection means you can ride with confidence in varied conditions. The ride experience is enhanced by smart connectivity through an app that adjusts pedal sensitivity, acceleration, and braking profiles, offers real-time GPS tracking and anti-theft protection, and even supports over-the-air firmware updates. Built with reinforced handles, dual USB power ports, fast charging options, and a beefy, track-tested chassis, the P6 isn't just a city cruiser. It's a flagship-class machine aimed at riders who demand maximum thrill, durability, and sophistication in one compact power unit. Number 3. The Karbikes. Kozy is a cleverly engineered urban mobility solution that blends the simplicity of a bicycle-style design with the comfort and utility of a compact vehicle, making it ideal for daily commuting, transportation of passengers, or running errands with ease. With its light electric assist motor and modular seating, it offers flexibility to carry an adult or 1 or 2 children, alongside ample cargo space that can adapt to groceries, supplies, or small-scale transport needs. The weather-protected cabin ensures that you're shielded from rain and wind while still enjoying the maneuverability of a narrow-footprint vehicle, which makes navigating busy city streets and fitting into tight parking spaces far less stressful. Its smart features include a user-friendly drive interface, adjustable seating, and cockpit ergonomics that accommodate a wide range of riders, and a design philosophy focused on sustainability through recycled and recyclable materials. The Kozy's compact dimensions, ease of operation, and low-carbon footprint combine to deliver a practical yet innovative alternative to conventional cars or large-scale EVs for modern urban mobility. Number 1. The Acticycle is a brilliantly innovative 2-seat, 4-wheeled pedal electric vehicle that bridges the gap between a bicycle and a car with remarkable efficiency and versatility. Designed for urban and peri-urban mobility, it features an ultra-light aluminum frame and is engineered to minimize its environmental footprint while providing the comfort and stability of a small car. The vehicle offers multiple drive options, ranging from a 250W assist motor up to a high-power 4000W electronic drive, enabling assisted speeds up to around 45 km/h and a range of approximately 70 km depending on the version. It's equipped with a polycarbonate roof and windshield to shield occupants from the elements, hydraulic disc brakes, full suspension, and puncture-resistant tires, making it practical for everyday use in varied conditions. Cargo space is integrated behind the seats, while the design allows access to bike lanes and tight parking spots, making it an ideal solution for modern city travel where agility, low cost, and sustainability are key.